Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and book accommodation on Agoda? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and simply search for Agoda. Once you've done that, what you want to do is simply go ahead and search for the place that you want to head to, and simply go ahead and add your check-in, check-out date, and then just add how many adults or kids is gonna be in that room. So once you've done that, as you can see, a bunch of lists of hotels are gonna go ahead and pop up, and now all you need to do in order for you to go ahead and book one is go ahead and select a one you like. Once you go ahead and like something, you can simply go ahead and click on view this deal, and as you can see, you can simply go ahead and book now. That is about it. Once you go ahead and enter your payment details and everything about your own details, that is about it. It's gonna go ahead and get booked. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.